What's up, guys? Happy Halloween. We're gonna open 5 packs a day all the way up until Halloween, and then on Halloween we got a special treat for you. We're gonna open this Charizard Celebrations pack. Let's get it. Alright, welcome back. Day 7. This one's a treat. Let me know what you guys are dressing up for Halloween. I know somebody is dressing up like a beaver. Oh, starting it off strong with a Mewtwo. Super nice. Got a Hatina and a Misdrevious. Alright, got 2. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hatterene, Lampet, and a Nickit. Got 3. Come on, come on, come on. And it's a Gorgeist with an Aradios and a Sinistea. 4. Got a Darkrai. Okay. Phantom and a Murkrow. Alright, final pack, day 7. Getting closer to that Charizard opening. Super excited. Oh, ending it with a Alright. Be sure to like and subscribe for more. There's a Haunter and a Hatina. Double Mewtwo, Hatterene, Gorgeist, and a Darkrai. Alright, see you for day 8. Happy Halloween.